That's today. Hello. Today in my vlog is pretty different because I'm not at my house anymore. I'm at the library, but I'm going to show you some place that's very creepy to me. And Titanic. No, it's not about Titanic. But this time, oh my God! There's so much place flying everywhere! But today on my vlog, I'm going to show you this creepy little woods area. And it's like so creepy that I barely go in there, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in there. And I'm going to go in there! So it doesn't feel like that I'm being followed in there! I don't know why. It feels weird. This is what it looks like. So creepy! It's like, oh my God! I know what you guys are saying. Oh, it doesn't look so creepy, but to me it is. To me it is. Okay? So yeah, I'm going in here to show you guys how creepy it is from the inside. Oh my God. Oh, never finish this one. Okay. Definitely down there it looks so creepy because whenever I go all the way down there, it's like being followed. But it's very pretty down there. It's like, oh my God. A little waterfall right there. So yeah. I'm not going any further, but I just wanted to show you guys. Oh my God! It's so windy out here. Look! It's so windy! Welcome to Michigan! I don't know if you guys can hear me with the wind blowing. But welcome to Michigan, everyone, where there's a lot of wind. I was being followed. I'm going the wrong way and going to the library. How silly. How silly of me. I hope Shay Carl is watching this. I hope he says that it is very creepy right there. Better give his honest opinion. Why am I gonna send this to Shay Carl? Probably. Because I think he's awesome. Ugly on camera. Oh my God. And I look fat on camera. Oh wait, I'm already fat. I'm already fat. Goodbye.